Hacking college and earning an entire degree in months instead of years is pretty remarkable, but there's a catch. Not everyone can do this. Maybe 80% of you, the exact major you're looking for, you can go get the degree in months, 6, 12 months, however long it takes you, move on to your job, move on with your life, and everything is great. But there will be a percentage of you where the specific major you're wanting to accelerate is not what I call hackable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an alternate strategy for how to save years of time if your specific major is not hackable. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ryan. I earned an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months, and now I teach other people how to do it. If that's something you're interested in, just like and subscribe and you'll start learning more about accelerated college degrees. What I want to do is we're going to jump over to my computer screen and I'm going to give you a couple of examples of this alternate strategy. The first example I want to show you is, let's say you wanted to go to medical school or be a doctor. Well, unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, depends on who you ask, you can't hack medical school. I have an upcoming surgery. I'm glad that my surgeon did not get his degree in months instead of years, so maybe it's a good thing, but you can at least hack your undergrad, and I'm going to show you how. Now, this is just an example. There are other options than this. I'm just wanting to use this as an example, but this is the University of Wisconsin. They have a flexible competency-based degree. This is a bachelor's degree in health sciences, okay? Health science degrees oftentimes transition really, really well into this postgraduate medical training like medical school and will be accepted so that you can get those types into those types of degrees a whole lot faster. So you're not doing basically you're hacking like your pre-med, right? So essentially, boom, we found a competency-based education program that can likely get you into medical school. Now, you do need to reach out to the medical schools you're applying for and make sure this particular degree is going to get you into those doors, because every school has different criteria for what they're going to accept. But this is a good option, okay? Now, one catch about this particular degree is you have to have an associate's degree before you apply. But if we go up to programs, they have a competency-based, 100% self-paced Associates of Arts and Science that could get you into this health science program. So for medical school as an example, why not hack your undergrad? Maybe it's a health science degree. Maybe it's a healthcare management degree. Healthcare management degrees are excellent for people that are going into the healthcare field, and they're really, really fast to hack. Okay, let's go to another school. This is Western Governors University. Let's say engineering is the field you want to go into. Well, engineering is not a hackable major. I personally don't know of any accelerated 100% self-paced programs in engineering. But engineering, the engineering field, there's a lot of technology and stuff like that. There's a lot of tech in engineering these days. Well, one of the coolest tech degrees on the planet right now is computer science, okay? Well, find out if a computer science degree or maybe another degree can get you into a master's program in engineering. So if, let's say you want an engineering degree, instead of getting a bachelor's degree in engineering, can you go get a bachelor's degree in something else that can get you into a master's program in engineering? The cool thing about this is, let's say you chose computer science, just for example purposes. Let's say you finished this degree in 12 months. Then you got into an engineering program at your dream school and it took you 2 years. Well, you're walking away with a 6-year degree in 3 years flat. And you're saving a whole bunch of money in the meantime, and you still have that diploma that you've been dreaming of, but guess what? It's a higher degree than you were expecting to get. So this is kind of what I recommend doing, is go hack the undergrad, then transfer into your higher level degree programs in that particular niche that you're wanting to go into. Now, if you're asking yourself, well, I don't know if one of these degrees is actually going to get me into that school, this is another example for you, okay? This is we're staying in this engineering example. Let's say you went to Western Governors University, got a computer science degree. Well, this is a list on Western Governors University's website where basically they have a big drop down here, a whole bunch of drop downs of all of the universities who have accepted WGU grads into their master's or doctoral programs. As you can see here, I'm going to pull down the H's. Harvard University, WGU grads have gotten bachelor's degrees from WGU and then gotten into Harvard. That's amazing. If we go down here, we're going to see Johns Hopkins, amazing school. Loyola, amazing school. How about this one? MIT Sloan School. If you don't know what MIT Sloan School is, that's MIT's business school. Okay? MIT's like oftentimes rated like the #1 university on the planet. WGU grads have gotten bachelor's degrees at WGU and then gotten to MIT. Like, this is crazy, right? If you keep going, Penn State, Princeton, Purdue, like you're seeing, there are just so many incredible schools here. We're talking Ivy League schools that have accepted people who have accelerated degrees. Sometimes, I mean, not everyone that goes to this particular school accelerates, but you can accelerate your degree online and then get into a master's program at your dream school. Like, it's incredible. So that is the alternate strategy. If you cannot hack the major you're wanting to hack, consider hacking a major that will get you into a master's program in your niche field. You can walk away with a higher degree, spend less money, less time. Guess what? Your career is better off because you have the master's degree instead of the bachelor's, and you saved yourself a bunch of time and money. I hope this video has helped. If you want to know the 3-step process I used to earn an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat with a full-time job and a wife and kids, I'll leave a link to a free degree hacking tutorial down in the description. So just tap on the video title with your thumb and the description opens up, and I'll leave a link there to that 3-step process training. Hope this video has helped. Have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next video.